Good morning, children. I am Nishi Arora. With me, Pooja Pareva. Today, we shall study class 11th, subject English, textbook Hornbill, lesson 13, summary, father to son, part 1. Dear children, this poem is written by Elizabeth Jennings. It is based on the universal problem of generation gap and misunderstanding between father and son. We shall study about this in this summary. Okay, let's begin. Summary. The poem describes the troubled relationship between a father and his son. Word meaning. Describe, वर्णन करना. Trouble, परेशान. Relationship, रिश्ता. His son is now grown up and is busy in his life. Father and his son have lived together in the same house for years, yet the father knows nothing about him. Word meaning. Grown up, बड़ा होना. Together, साथ साथ. Nothing, कुछ नहीं. There is a silence between father and his son. They do not speak to each other. Word meaning. Silence, मौन. Speak, बोलना. There is no understanding between them. Father plans to build up the broken relationship again. Word meaning. Understanding, समझ. Build up, बनाना. He wants their relationship to be just like when son was a child. He is prepared to accept him with all his faults. Word meaning. Prepare, तैयार. Accept, स्वीकार. Son also had a feeling of sadness about the distance between them. Moreover, The son explains this anger is due to sadness. Word meaning sadness, udasi, distance, दूरी, explain, वर्णन करना, anger, गुस्सा. This shows that both father and son want to forgive each other. However, they are failing to find a solution to their problem. Word meaning forgive, क्षमा करना, fail, असफल, solution, हल, problem, समस्या. Here the poetess says that fathers and sons all over the world should learn to live on the same globe and same land. Word meaning poetess, कवित्री. Learn, सीखना, live, रहना. The poem talks about the universal problem, lack of communication and understanding. Word meaning universal, विश्वव्यापी, lack, कमी, communication, बात. So dear children, this poem shows need for ideal relationship between children and their parents, which is not seen in the modern world. Okay, summary is complete now. We shall do question answers of this lesson in part 2. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.